Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an Amazon unbagging. Before I get into this though, you know what's fixing to come. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you, and thank you to all the people who have gone over to my Etsy shop and either purchased something or liked it. So I hope everybody's having a great day, and I'm going to apologize right off the rip about the lighting. It's raining here finally, and it's a little dreary, but I do have my window open, and I also have my overhead light on. And if you hear anything in the background, it's Booger. He is playing under my desk with his ball, not the chicken. Okay, so y'all, I am super excited about this unbagging. If I can get it open, I was hoping not to have to use, let me see, where is my, you know what? We'll just do that. Alright, so what did I get? I got a case for drill storage. I have found that I really do like these. So, I was scrolling Amazon the other night, late, and I found a deal. Okay? This is one of those hard cases. It's got a handle over here on the end. It's got double zip. So, I don't know if, yeah. Okay, so, I'm going to tell y'all how much I paid for this. You're not going to believe this. I only gave $5.32 for this case. It was priced $11.42, I think it was, and they had a 50% off if you hit the little button. So it only cost me $5.32, y'all. And before I started filming this, I went and looked, and it is back up to $19.35. Okay, so this doesn't really come with anything. It's just a regular drill storage case. It does have the little round stickers. There's 30 of these, and it is in a foam case. It has a mesh pocket, and the bottles are small. Now, I am glad I only paid $5.32 for this, even though $11 wouldn't have been too bad, but I didn't realize they were the small containers until after I had purchased this. But it is the small screw top plastic round containers, and there are 30 of them. And I guess I shouldn't push them all the way down. And it does come in this foam case, just like the bigger ones. And you just can put this down in there. So I have started kitting up a couple of canvases that I want to get to. So I have one that is, you know, I think it's like 29 colors or something like that. And I seen this one. Now I have a 60 container kit, and I love it. But I wanted one that was smaller. I wanted the 30. And I seen this one, like I said, the other night. And I thought, well, I'm going to get this. And like I said, until I got to the checkout, I didn't realize that it was going to be $5. So, great deal for this. I was very happy. And I'm not extremely mad that they're small, short containers, because I have a lot of budget kits that I can use this with, but I didn't realize it, like I said, until after I had purchased it. And, you know, I was just like, well, because I did think it was the bigger ones. Because I really thought, oh my God, I am really getting a deal with, the tall containers. But still, for $5, y'all, I couldn't beat that. You couldn't, I mean, that is a great, great, great deal. And just to be fair, I don't care whether it comes with all the pins and the trays and all that stuff. I don't even use that stuff anymore. I just wanted the case and the containers. That's it. Stickers. But the rest of it is just bonus for me because I don't, like I said, I don't use any of it. So, I mean, that I don't pay for the extra stuff is fine with me. So, all right, y'all. Well, like I said, I will put the link to this in my description box, but I will say, as of me filming this today, it is back up to $19.35. Booger is underneath my desk playing with a toy, a squeaky toy. So that's what y'all are hearing. So, all right, y'all. Well, give me a comment. Let me know what y'all think about this little case. Have y'all seen this? Did you see it and take advantage of the $5 price? All right, y'all. So until my next video, I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.